Getting ready to install a new fender and paint the car. You know what they call me. I could fix it. Damage on the door and quarter panel. I could fix it. Headlight is damaged, also fender. I could fix it. I could fix it. Mixing up the color, getting ready to paint now. You know when you finish baking the cake, you put that icing? That's what that is. The Q50 is painted, fenders installed. No shortcuts, you know how we do. Old fender, Q50 front bumper. This is for a Lexus custom job. Brake booster. Also the spoiler for the custom job, Lexus. Door seals. Grill. Yeah, we do it all. Stunner.